I'm going to show you how to make your own GPT function in Google Sheets in literally 2 minutes. Just to give you an example of what we're going to build, you're going to have a function called GPT that you can use to call your Google Sheets, and it's going to give you the answers that you would expect. In order to do that, you create your spreadsheet. So this is a blank spreadsheet that I prepared. You click on extensions, you click on app scripts, and then you wait for it to load. While it's loading, I'm just gonna pull up the code that we're gonna need. Take it and then copy all of the code. It's just plain JavaScript. The app script just loaded, so I'm gonna put the code in here, and I'm gonna click on save, and that's it. So now we should be ready to go. I'm gonna go back to the spreadsheet, and again, I'm gonna refresh the page. So as soon as I'm gonna refresh, it should be loaded, the script that we just made. And we can see that it loaded successfully because now we have the menu GPT up here. And we're gonna use this to set the API key and also check it if there's something that goes wrong. So click on this, and it's gonna ask you for permissions to run. You just click OK. It's gonna ask you for permissions to run the code that we just inserted, and it should be okay. So you click on your account, you just say advanced, and then you click proceed. Click allow here. Now you should be good to go. So click again on set your API key, and now it's gonna prompt you. So now it is actually running. Cool. And then paste it in here and then click OK. All right, so now we're done. And now I can prompt it. So let's try it out. What is the color of the sky? And now we can just GPT this. Cool. The color of the sky is blue.